just want to give y'all a minute to judge me and take this all in. Okay, this isn't really gonna help, but let's just do this so we can get to the important stuff. Hey y'all, it's me, Malibu Darby. I just finished working out. This is typically how my cute go-to sleek top knot looks after a workout, a day or two, things like that. I got this product in the mail, the Easy Detangler, and I thought, why not do a review in real time using this product? I asked on my Instagram at malibudarby if any of you guys, or if most of you guys have heard of this, and I think it was about 87% said they had heard of the Easy Detangler. So I'm gonna try it tonight. I have my Miss Jessie's, you know we're supporting black owned brands, of course. I have my Miss Jessie's shampoo and conditioner, so I'm going to wash and deep condition. And then next time you see me, we will be testing out the product. That's when I'll go into kind of the details and stuff about the Easy Detangler. And we'll see if it really is an easy detangler or if it lives up to the hype. So I'm gonna go wash my hair. If you guys are interested in seeing more hair videos, natural hair videos, I'll be honest, I don't know if this is gonna be a fail or a success. I'll have to come back in the morning to see how the twist out comes out. Hopefully it comes out good because I have places to go. But if you want to see more natural hair videos, make sure you hit the like button and the comments so I can know that you want more of these. Y'all know it's not, natural hair is not my deal. It's not what I do. I'm lazy. My arms hurt when I do this for a long time. I'm rambling because I'm nervous on where this could go, if I'm being honest. But I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hair, and I will be back once this is situated a little bit more.
5 hours later.
All right, y'all, so I'm back. I feel like it took forever. I have shampooed and conditioned my hair, and I put it into 4 little sections. I know some people say put it into 8, 16, 20 sections. 4 was the most I could handle, so we're gonna go from there. Let's get into this Easy Detangler brush. So this is how the brush looks. I got it in the mail. It came in this just little plastic packaging. I will say it took a while to come. I think I ordered it in April, maybe early April, and it is now mid-June. So it took a while to come. That could also be because of the virus and things getting stuck in customs and things like that, so I'm not gonna hold that against them. But it says that it is basically like a miracle detangler. So it normally retails for $24.95. You know I'm gonna give you the details. It normally retails for $24.95. I did see that right now it is on sale on the website for $16.95. And it says you can skip the pain and easily detangle super kinky and coily hair types 3A to 4C. Now, I do not specifically know my curl pattern. I actually think the curl pattern numbers are a marketing trick. But I know that I do fall somewhere within that 3 to 4 range. And it says you just want to wet your hair with water or moisturizer with conditioner. You want to then gently brush vertically from root to end. Okay, normally I start at the ends when I rarely do detangle. It says this will massage your roots and detangle those tough knots. Then it says to follow through with Easy Detangler brush horizontally to fully detangle and make those curls pop. So it's saying you want to go downward first and then you want to go to the side. So I'm going to remember that when I try it. Let's see. I don't think there are any other specific little tips. It does have this little piece here. So you can control how tight or how loose you want the comb to be based on your curl pattern. So I think that's kind of where the technology is in making this different than your average comb, which I do have my regular combs and things that I usually use when I wash my hair. I had some people tell me that they had to use a dim-in brush and then go in with that, so I have all those here just in case. I called my sister, who is like level 5 advanced natural because I'm an amateur, just to ask what I needed to use that I already had as far as curling custards and things like that. So I think we can get into the first section. I'm going to start in the back because that's usually the trickiest for me, and we can see how this thing works. And I do have just a little water bottle with some oil just in case my hair starts to dry out. So okay, here is my hair. I'm still gonna try to do these in a little bit of smaller sections because my hair is pretty thick and I don't know if my hair tangles a lot or if I just mistreat my hair so it's always getting tangled, which that's probably what it is. Okay, so I feel like I just want to Spray it a little bit. Now, like it says go vertically from the root to the end. So I have it on the widest setting. I will say, okay, this doesn't hurt. I don't know if it's really pulling the knots. I want to do it how they said, which is from the root. Y'all, if you are an advanced natural, I know you are cringing because I don't like to do my hair. It's just too much work. Okay, so going from the root, going down actually is okay. I am very surprised that went through so easily. Like I said, I was really tempted to go just now to the ends. Wow. I'm very impressed by that. I don't normally have a comb go through it that easily, that fast. Okay, so let me just twist this really quickly, because I'm gonna, like I said, attempt to do a twist out, and we'll go from there and do the next section. The middle of my hair is where it gets wild, so that's where we're really gonna see how this works. But I didn't see that coming. Okay, let me just twist this really quickly. I'm using the Design Essentials. This is what I have already. Even if you're not a like full-time natural girl, you have a graveyard of products, so I was not going to waste these products. So I'm going to use Design Essentials Curl Stretching Cream and the Natural Honey. Hopefully this isn't too much product. Now I could be wrong, but I feel like that looks right. I feel like that looks like as long as I let my hair dry, it should be okay. Okay, so the next section, this is getting a little bit closer to the middle of my hair, which, like I said, is where it starts to get a little wild. So I'm gonna try like they said again. We're gonna go vertical. Let me see. Okay, this is what I was thinking. Now, I'm not gonna cheat and use something totally different, but I am going to start from the end a little bit. For me, when I detangle, I feel like you're always supposed to start from the end. That's why I was really surprised to see they said from the root. So let me just try to do the ends a little bit, and then I'll try the vertical. Okay, now let's try. Okay. So I think I'm gonna do that where I do the ends a little bit first and then go through, but still, that is much easier than I'm used to. Okay, I'm gonna twist this one. I'm not gonna make y'all watch me do my whole head, but I am gonna do my whole head just like a quick kind of fast forward on camera, because I really do want to see how I feel afterwards, if this made this process easier, how I feel like it's doing as far as the root. So I'm going to twist these, check in, and then we'll go from there and see how I feel like this helped with doing my twist out. I'm not being funny. I'm in the finale. I would rather just buy a wig that looked like my natural hair than have to do this every night.
I'm so excited.
Girl.
I finally get to call Kristen.
Alright, y'all, now that I have no feelings in my hands, I have finished my twist. I think we have like 1, 2, 3, 4, almost about 10 twists. And to the Easy Detangler brush, final thoughts, initial thoughts. While it did not like make it so I didn't have to do any kind of pulling or separating, it definitely is like a Denman brush, but a little bit more. So where I feel like it really exaggerates your curls with the Denman brush and it kind of stretches your curls, I feel like this, because I could expand the size, was even a little bit more helpful with the detangling. I didn't use any other combs or detanglers or anything like that, so I did my whole head with this, and I definitely could see the difference in some areas, being able to really get to the root and pull. I'm sure you guys saw I did have some areas where I was struggling, kind of trying to get it through, those areas where I knot a lot or really badly. But once I kind of took it and kind of worked through the knot with the brush, then it did glide through really easy. I feel like for me, I detangled a lot faster. $16.95 or regular price of $25 isn't the cheapest for a comb, essentially, but you know, the real Denmans aren't cheap, and I feel like if this can replace a couple of your products, then it would be worth it. Is it something you absolutely have to have? No, because I do use this and my Denman brush and get the job done too. But I could see how if you tangle really badly, or maybe if you have kids and you can't pull their hair as much, I do see how this could be useful. I didn't move it down to the second setting at all because the first one I think is what's best for my hair. But I will say for the root, which is where I usually just kind of cheat and give up and don't really detangle all the way, this did help me kind of get to the root and pull it. So I will see you guys in the morning because I don't want you just to see me like this the whole video. So I will see you in the morning to see if this twist out is going to be a success or a fail. Hopefully it's a success. And then I have some makeup on too because again, I can't look like this whole video. So I'll be back. All right, y'all, it is the next day. So I put a little face on, got dressed. I want to do this very last because I am a little nervous. Okay. And if you see me looking down, I have my mirror down here because I am not advanced enough to be able to do this just in the mirror. So here's how we are right now. I feel like they're gonna come out pretty well. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start taking them out. I do have the Talia Wajid Protective Mist Bodifier leave-in conditioning spray. This is another black owned natural hair company. I think they're actually based in Atlanta too. And I've used their products quite a bit. So I'm just gonna spray this a little bit just to kind of make sure my hair isn't dry when I'm taking them out. And by dry, I mean like crunchy dry. So I think I'm just gonna take these out first, see how they're looking, and then I'll separate with my fingers, or I did get this claw comb. So overall, I do like the Easy Detangler. I kind of thought about it more last night. I tried to see like how my roots were looking as far as knotting and stuff like that. And I feel like it's a thumbs up for me. Really, I guess the work of the Easy Detangler is finished. I felt like it would be an injustice to watch y'all have me attempt to twist out and then not let you see the finished product. So we're gonna see the finished product. But as far as the Easy Detangler, I feel like I would recommend it, especially if you have hair that maybe knots even more than mine. Or like I said, I think this would be great for kids' hair because even when I had to pull through some, it didn't pull quite as much. So these are coming out, I think, nicely. I honestly don't know. They're coming out better than they've come out in the past, because in the past I've definitely had some snafus. Honestly, I don't know if it's because of Juneteenth or what, but I want to wear my hair out today. I kind of plan my outfit around having big hair. I'm calling my sister because I'm afraid to separate these wrong. Okay, so I'm filming my video and I took the twist out and I'm afraid I'm gonna like take them apart wrong. Should I use my fingers or should I use this?
Fingers. Use
my fingers, okay.
Your hair looks great.
Thank you. He said my hair looks amazing, so I'll leave it like this.
It looks beautiful. Your curls look great.
Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna play around with the shape more, but y'all get the general idea. I'm gonna swoop some baby hairs. Be sure to check out my Instagram to see how this all came together. I'm gonna play around with it a little bit more. I know it's preference, but overall, Easy Detangler, thumbs up for me. Made doing my hair a lot easier. I'm not mad at it. Gonna, like I said, swoop some edges, finish the look, and I'll see you in the next video.